So in this video, I'm going to show you the moderation. So one cool thing about quizzes that I really loved during digital learning is that I was able to moderate the quiz. So here, I was able to see when the students started. So it would give me a time. So I would be like, hey, John, you haven't even opened your quiz, because it would give me right here how long they have been taking it. And once they finish, I was able to see the score here, and I would present this screen and I would go down the list. And this is honestly how I would take attendance in the classroom during their warm-up, because I would see who had opened it and who was not, and I would compare it to who was in the classroom. Now here you can extend it for specific students if you need it, but this was a really great tool to use during digital learning that you can use, where I didn't have to go to GoGuardian to see if they were on task, because I was able to see it right here on the moderating. Now if you click on the student, now let me see if this student view a quiz. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just answer. So now I'm gonna go here where it says moderate quiz. Now you can see the student that attempted once, finished in less than 1 minute. The score was 0. So now I'm gonna go to the test student, and here you can see their responses. So cool thing is that you can view their log. So while they're taking the test, I wasn't able to show you right now, but while they're taking the test, you can view to see where they were. So you can see when they started and if they stopped and opened up a new page. So this is another activity to see if they are going to a different page, to like Googling the answers or whatever the case is. Now I'm going to show you how to grade it. So quiz statistics. So this is something that I also used in the classroom, because it will give you the grade breakdown, student analysis. So by student, by item, you can do it by the different sections. Right now it's not showing me because this is a test student, but this is a really cool way to just get data. And sometimes I will use this with the students because the students' names doesn't show, so it'd be like, oh, like you guys struggled. Think of this as like the summary from Google Forms, so I can see, oh, like I can see you guys struggled with this question, so let's go over it together as a class. And we can do it that way. Or I would give shout outs, oh, you guys did amazing here, so you guys really understand blah 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 blah. But this was a really good visual of me checking while they were taking the quiz of where they were, and it kind of let me know or guided what I did that day, if I was okay to moving on or if I needed to go back and reteach anything. So these are just little hacks when you're using quizzes. I hope this was helpful.